Hello guys, welcome to Trade View. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like my videos. My channel is full of share market and technical analysis, regular post-market update and pre-market analysis videos has been uploaded on my channel. Please watch it and let me know your feedbacks and suggestions and your trading experience. Okay, so apart from the predictions and post-market video, this is an important strategy and indicator which you need to know before entering to the trade. Okay, and it will be more useful while trading on your stocks or index. Okay, that will be more useful for your trading predictions. Okay, okay. Coming to the topic, this is for this is called a moving average. For beginners, I'm just telling this. For experienced traders, already you know about this indicator, but I just thought to explain this and remind you to follow this on your intraday tradings. Okay, so this is called moving average, which is sloping here and there within the blue line. Okay, so which is added from here. You can search it from here. Okay, like this moving average. You can search it from here and it will become here. This is 20 moving average. Okay, so if you once added in your chart, it will be showing like this. If you want to hide it, you can hide it like this. Like if it's disturbing for you to analyze. Okay, while started trading, you can enable it and it will show like this. Okay, you can change any color also. Like if I'm going to green, it will be green. That's it. Okay, so this is most important strategy and secret you want guys to remember. Don't forget while trading. Okay, simple example, and this is powerful only on sloping. Okay, the moving average has been like this sloping, like, okay, then only it will be more trending and powerful. If it is like a flat or curve, means it's not that much. See here, like this. Okay, it's not that much. Don't enter to the trade. It is feel like a scalping or we'll get more confusion. But if you enter like in the sloping area, see, after here retracement, always take near or take one stake and resistance or near to the moving average. Take short position here like this. That is moving below moving average. If candle closed or open below moving average, go for short like this. The moving average should be like this sloping. Okay, and it will become to long distance. You can close your position and on the next support level. Okay, according to your levels and strategies. Okay, once market to the turning, see, moving average has been turned curve like this. Wait for the clear view until don't trade. See here fully sideways and like buy and sell. So don't trade. So once see again next day market started sloping literally like this. So you want to wait for the clear view. Once taken here support, go for the long position here or here. Wait for the clear view. Then it go to here. Once it's closing like this or moving average should like changing to this flat, then close your position or close your position on this target or on your next resistance levels. Okay, so this sloping moving average will be the more powerful on your trading. It will be a clear view of trading journey. Okay, so any intraday you are taking, this is I'm showing on Nifty. Okay, see here fully flat. Okay, so market is sideways. Well started like this sloping upwards. See if you took here the strong resistance or close after close the strong resistance. See how long it went. Okay, this is the powerful in moving average strategies. Okay, you can check, you can analyze on your own. Then only you will get to know how it is work, right? You can follow this strategy and get more profits. Okay, apart from your strategies, whatever you're following, please add this one and follow this, so you can get the another 10 to 20 percentage confirmation and confidence to trade in your intradays. Okay, so see here, this is today on. So the first half it will be like this. Okay, not fully slope. So it is coming started sloping from here. Are you able to see? Once restatement, retracement from here near to the moving average, if you taken the short rate, it will be come to up to here around 150 to 200 points. You can take this. Okay, even if you're not taken initially. So once get the confirmation from moving average, you can get good profits. Okay, this is the important strategy and secret in moving average. Please follow on your trading. Before that, practice yourself and analyze yourself. Okay, trade on your own decision. Okay, let me know your comments about this video, and I hope you'll support me for further upcoming videos on knowledge sharing. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you.